Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to see the various GST report in your Tally ERP9. Friends, how to activate GST in your Tally ERP9, how to configure a relevant ledger or a relevant voucher class in your Tally ERP9 we have already discussed in our various previous video. Today we are going to discuss how to see the various GST report and GST return in your Tally ERP9. For the purpose of viewing the GST report in your Tally ERP9, you have to go to the display menu from your gateway of Tally. You have to select this statutory report. You have to select the GST menu. Here you will see that GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR3B is appear. Suppose I am selecting GSTR1, you will see that this is GSTR1 return summary for the month of April to for the month of April. Here you can see that include in return 2 item is included and 2 item is not relevant for this return. Here you can see that what is my outward supply, that is local sales, my taxable value CGST, SGST and total tax amount. What is my intrastate sale, taxable value and IGST, my total outward supply, total tax liability. uh, Friends, you can also see as a written format. For the purpose of viewing written format, you just press view written format, click on it or just press Alt V from your keyboard. You will see the GSTR1 display in a different manner. This is the as a per the written format. You will see that my B2B transaction is a 2 voucher is there, my taxable value, my IGST, CGST and SGST, total tax value and total invoice value. This is the total appear at the bottom. You will also see any mismatch appearing, then you will also see here. Now we are discussing how to see the GSTR3B. For the purpose of viewing GSTR3B, go to display menu, select statutory report, select GST and select GSTR3B. You will see that GSTR3B is appear for the month of April 2020 to 30th April 2020. You can also alter your period by pressing Alt F2 and select your month or a quarter. You can also change your period from right hand side by selecting F2 period. Here friends, total number of voucher for included in return for. Here it will show that not relevant item. Here it will show that incomplete or mismatch item in your return. Here it is 0. If there is a mismatch item, you have to correct it and again you have to come to GSTR3B. You will see that the outward supply or inward supply liable to reverse charge. Here it is a taxable value, IGST, CGST, SGST and the tax amount. Here it is your eligible ITC, that is for IGST, CGST and SGST. Here it is your total input tax credit. Now if you want to see as a summary, this is friends written format. If you want to see as a summary, just press Alt V or select view summary from your right hand side. You will see the different display for your GSTR3B. You will see the outward supply, local sales, interstate sales, local purchase as well as interstate purchase. You will see your total liability here, total taxable value, total tax and total tax amount. Here you will see your total inward supply, individual taxes amount and individual and total input tax credit. You can see that my total liability is 1998, whereas my total input tax credit is 1900. So you can just plus or minus and you can find out your relevant tax liability for a particular period. So in this way you can see the GST report in your Tally. Friends, there is a shortcut for viewing the GST report in a Tally. Just press dog, D for display, O for statutory report and G for GST report. Just press dog, you will see the GST report will appear. If you press dog 1, then your GSTR1 appear. If you press dot 3, then your GSTR 3B is appeared. So in this way you can see your GST report for your particular period in Tally ERP 9. So I hope you will understand this, and in the next video we will discuss another features about the Tally. Thank you.